Hello Richard, it's Zurav here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Can-Am Spyder STS with a 2300 kilometers and the price is 13,888 plus HSDL licensing. This price includes safety and we don't charge any extra fees. It is in absolutely perfect condition. The tires are like brand new. The paint looks like brand new. It has a very nice acrylic exhaust with the carbon tip on it. Here's the rear tire. So the bike has a semi-automatic transmission. You're shifting gears with the plus and minus buttons here. Of course, it has a reverse as well, and it does have a cruise control. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. And of course, we do accept trade-ins. Please email me all details about your trade so we can figure out some numbers. And plus, this bike comes with a backrest for a passenger as well. This is included. Thank you.